Hello to all my friends of Standard 9th. This is Sunil Hinduja. Welcome you all to my channel Math Master. Here we believe that learning is sharing. Students, today we are going to start chapter number 1, Number Systems. So students of Standard 9th, get ready with your pen, paper, and let's begin our journey with Math Master. To begin with, let's revise. First, what do you mean by natural numbers? Natural numbers means all the positive numbers where 0 is not included. The numbers 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity. What is a whole number? Whole numbers are all the positive numbers including 0. 0 also will be included in it. Remember, in natural numbers I put a cross. 0 is not included, means all the positive numbers, whereas the whole numbers, they have 0 also along with all the positive numbers. होल नंबर्स का हम सिंबल है W, where W is a set of all the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3 till infinity. Whereas natural numbers, we represent it as N. N stands for natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on till infinity. Okay students, the next set of numbers is integers. Its symbol is Z. So integers, it is a union or a combination of all the negative numbers, 0 as well as positive numbers. So integers include negative numbers, positive numbers as well as 0. Fine students, this is what is very clear to you in the lower classes. Thereafter, we begin with rational numbers. So, what do we mean by the word rational numbers? Let's proceed further. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q. The numbers which can be expressed or written in P upon Q form here P and Q both are integers. They may be positive, they may be negative, where P and Q are integers, and Q is not equal to 0, denominator 0 nahi hona chahiye, are known as rational numbers. We will take some examples. Now, rational number का जो symbol है, it is Q. Q is the symbol for rational numbers. Now Q includes all the numbers which are positive. Say for example 4. So 4 can be written as 4 upon 1. So 4 is a rational number. Is minus 7 a rational number? The answer is yes, because minus 7 is nothing but minus 7 upon 1. Is 0 rational? Yes. Is 9 rational? Yes. Similarly, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 7, 1 upon 9, minus 1 upon 2, ये सारे rational numbers हैं. Even 0.3 is rational because 0.3 is nothing but 3 upon 10. So all these are rational numbers. Okay students, irrational numbers are those numbers जो हम P upon Q फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकते. So here I explain to you irrational numbers. So these are numbers which are not rational. Numbers which are not rational are irrational. See, for example, root 2, root 3, root 7, these all are irrational numbers. Even pi is an irrational number. So irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q form. Now having said this, please remember n मतलब natural number. जितने भी natural numbers हैं, they are subset, means they all belong to W. मतलब सारे natural numbers W के अंदर होते हैं. W stands for whole numbers. All whole numbers are included in integers. Because I hope you know integers मतलब क्या? Integers मतलब positive numbers, negative numbers as well as zero. So are all the positive numbers present in Z? The answer is yes. And in the same way, all the integers are a part of rational numbers. And all the rational and irrational numbers, they belong to the biggest set of numbers which we called real numbers. रियल नंबर्स का सिंबल R होता है. R stands for the collection of all the rational and irrational numbers together. We call them real numbers. Am I clear, students? Now ये याद रखिए, सारे नेचुरल नंबर्स होल नंबर्स में होते हैं, सारे होल नंबर्स इंटीजर्स में होते हैं. इंटीजर्स आर अ पार्ट ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स एंड रैशनल नंबर्स आर अ पार्ट ऑफ रियल. Why I'm saying this to you to remember is, sometimes a true or false can be asked. Every integer is a rational number. True or false? True or false? Let's understand. सारे integers rational numbers में होते हैं. Is each and every integer a part of rational number? The answer is yes. If you remember this, it will become very easy. So it is true. Let's take the second one. Every whole number is a rational number. True or false? So for that, again look at the top. जितने भी होल नंबर्स होते हैं, आर दे ऑल रैशनल? आर ऑल द होल नंबर्स पार्ट ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स? द आंसर इज यस, बिकॉज होल नंबर्स में क्या आता है? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. सो एवरी होल नंबर इज रैशनल नंबर. द आंसर इज ट्रू. इफ इट इज आस्क्ड एवरी इंटीजर इज अ नेचुरल नंबर, जस्ट इमेजिन, सारे इंटीजर्स नेचुरल नंबर्स होते हैं. आर ऑल इंटीजर्स नेचुरल नंबर? यस और नो? इंटीजर्स मतलब पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, जीरो. तो नेगेटिव एंड जीरो, दे आर नॉट नेचुरल. सो एवरी इंटीजर इज अ नेचुरल नंबर इज एब्सोल्युटली फॉल्स. हाँ, अगर ऐसा पूछा हो एवरी नेचुरल नंबर इज इंटीजर, इट इज ट्रू. एवरी होल नंबर इज इंटीजर, it is true. But if it is asked, every integer is natural number, that is false. Every integer is whole number, that is also false. And this topic is very well covered in example 1 of textbook, which is students, this is the NCERT textbook of standard 9th. Example 1. Are the following statements true or false? Give reason for your answer. Now the first one is, every whole number is a natural number. Every whole number is a natural number. So every whole number is a natural number, true or false? तो इसके लिए आप याद रखिए N, W, Z, Q and at last R. Remember this. And just check. Every whole number is a natural number. The answer is false because whole number में zero भी आता है and zero is not a part of natural number. So it is false because 0 is not a whole number. Okay students, second one, every integer is rational number. Is every integer rational number? True, because सारे integers चाहे वो positive हो, negative हो या zero हो, can be written in the form of p upon q. So every integer is rational number is true. The third one, every rational number is a integer. सारे rational numbers integer होते हैं. It is false. Reason, because there are certain rational numbers. For example, 3 upon 2. Now 3 upon 2 होता है 1.5. अब 1.5 integer नहीं है. 1.5 is a decimal but not an integer. Similarly, let's take the example of 7 upon 9. So this is a fraction. इसको हम point में answer दे सकते हैं, but this is not an integer. This is a rational number but not an integer. I hope you are getting it clear. So every rational number is integer is false. Okay students, going further, example number 2, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. How many rational numbers? Just focus on the number 5. This is very important. How many rational numbers we have to find? So find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Now students, what you need to do is, we have two numbers 1 and 2. Clear? Keep 1 as it is, keep 2 as it is. We have to find 5 rational numbers. जितने भी rational numbers find करने हो उसमें 1 add कर दो. So what is 5 plus 1? 6. So you multiply 1 and divide 1 by 6. Multiplying and dividing by 6. I repeat, कितने rational numbers find करने हैं? 5. So 5 में plus 1 add कीजिए, it is 6. So multiply by 6 and divide by 6. Same is here also. Multiply by 6, divide by 6. Between 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 as it is. So 1 को multiply by 6, divide by 6. 2 को multiply by 6, divide by 6. So you will get 6 upon 6. And here you will get 12 upon 6. And at last you mention that 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2 are, now the first rational number will be 6 upon 6 के बाद it will be 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, 10 upon 6 and last will be 11 upon 6. Because we want between this two, और ये पांचों rational numbers 6 upon 6 और 12 upon 6 के बीच में. So that's how to solve the example number 2. I hope it is very clear to all. Now look at exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1 का जो first question है, it is, I'm just showing you the textbook. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of p upon q? So the answer will be yes, 0 is a rational number. Because 0 can be written in the form of 0 upon 1, it can be written in the form of 0 upon 9, 0 upon 4 and so on. The second solution is, question is, find 6 rational numbers. We need to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Students, between क्या है पहले वो देखिए. Between 3 and 4, so write 3 and 4 as it is. Write 3 and 4 as it is. कितने rational numbers चाहिए? 6. 6 में 1 add कर दो. So 6 में 1 add करोगे, it is 7. So multiply by 7, divide by 7. The next number is 4. Again in 4, multiply by 7, divide by 7. So you get 21 upon 7 and here you get 28 upon 7. Because 3 7s are 21 or 7 as it is, 4 7s are 28, 7 as it is. So 6 rational numbers are, देखो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा आंसर 21 अपॉन 7 है. 21 के बाद से स्टार्ट कीजिए. 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7, and at last 27 upon 7. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो ये हमारे 6 रैशनल नंबर्स हो गए between 3 and 4. Isn't it very easy? Do let me know. Let's come to the next question. The question is, question number 3, find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Again, very simple. The two numbers 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5, copy them as it is. अब ये चेक करिए कितने रैशनल नंबर्स चाहिए. 5 में 1 ऐड कर दीजिए, it will be 6. So multiply and divide by 6. Same way 4 upon 5 also multiply and divide by 6. So here you get 18 upon 30, whereas here you get 24 upon 30. So the 5 rational numbers are 18 के बाद से स्टार्ट कीजिए. 19 upon 30, 20 upon 30, 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30, and at last 23 upon 30. So I hope this super cool technique will be very simple. Just write the number as it is. कितने रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने हैं? 5 में 1 ऐड कर दो, 6, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6, डिवाइड बाय 6. 3 6 18 अपॉन 30, 4 6 24 अपॉन 30. 18 और 24 के बीच में सारे नंबर्स लिख दो. 19 20 21 22 23. All the denominator will remain the same. Okay students, the last question number 4 is very easy and I want you to solve it on your own. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason for your answer. Every natural number is whole number. तो स्टूडेंट्स याद रखिए n z q I forgot w here. n w z q and at last r. Natural number, whole number, integers, rational number, real number. Every natural number, हर natural number whole number होता है. हर natural number whole number होता है. सारे के सारे natural numbers whole numbers में आते हैं. It is true. Every integer is whole number. सारे integers whole number होते हैं. No, it is false because integers में negative numbers भी होते हैं और वो whole numbers नहीं होते. Every rational number is whole number. सारे के सारे rational numbers whole numbers होते हैं. Again the answer is wrong because कुछ rational numbers ऐसे होते हैं. Example 1 upon 4, 1 upon 9. ये whole numbers नहीं है. They are fractions, decimal. So students, here we complete exercise 1.1. Do comment how do you found our study material in this video. Also like, share and subscribe our channel to get more of these videos. Also do share these videos with your friend who wish to have this learning, as we believe that learning is sharing. Goodbye. See you after some time with yet another video of Standard 9th. Bye bye.